I love playing Fortnite. What? You're playing Fortnite? I'm gonna win this. What do you mean playing Fortnite? You're not even playing. I know, because Fortnite sucks. Fortnite sucks, Ninja. It sucks. Yeah, Fortnite sucks. Wanna have a Nerf war? I mean, I know we haven't had a Nerf war in a couple of days, but you gotta calm down. I mean, we'll have forts, and it's just me versus you. So 1v1 fort? Yeah. And we'll be knights together. Fortnite. Put a sucks after Fortnite, guys. Because Fortnite does suck. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay, just set my fort up. Looks pretty cool. I like my fort. Now I can use that as like crawl tunnel and sniper tunnel. Just crawl through it. This will be my base. Maybe where I put all my ammo. How are you doing? What? What? Dude, Palm freaking Junior. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? You forgot to take your inhaler? Yeah, I'm sorry. I have one that I use, but I'll wipe it off. Dude, what the freak? No, I don't have asthma. Dude, why do you get a bigger fort than mine? Look at mine. I mean, it's pretty dang big. I mean, I do have this door and all, but still. Well, spit it out. Spit it out. I don't see your name on it. Dude, what the frick? What? Yeah, I don't see your name on it. Dude, I didn't say I own your fort. Dude, what? Well, let's get stitches. What? Sharing's caring. What? My house, my rules. I'm the guest. My house, my rules. It's my house, okay? Okay, I get checks, and I pay for it. You know why? Why? Because I solve Rubik's Cubes for people. They pay me like thousands of dollars to solve like a 2x2. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now it's just go get a gun anywhere. Let me go get mine. You know what? I wouldn't take this because I'm his guest. Where's my gun? Come on, he took it. Didn't want to go look for another gun. Get ready to get wrecked. I got a gun. Hey, guess what? I got a gun. So, freaking, Fortnite sucks. I'm triggered! Wait, what? When will you learn? When will you learn? When will you learn? When will you learn that your actions have consequences? Frick you guys, I'm out. I'm gonna kill you. Retard. Taking my gun. I got a better one. Alright. Who's starting it? I'm starting it. Because I'm the guest. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Nerf war. Oh crap, he started it. I want to start it. Do it. Fine. Nerf war. I'm out of ammo already. I've got secret Nerf gun. Let me get it. Hey, bro, he doesn't even know that I took his secret Nerf gun. He has no clue. Wait, what? Here it is. That's not even a Nerf gun. Who cares? Watch. Awesome! I got it powered up. This is my Nerf gun. That's yours. Wait, what? Man, frick you. Hey, dude, you already lost. You lost. What? I can't believe him. How did I lose? I was god at Nerf guns. Oh, I forgot he had that Nerf gun. Huh. What? He's a cheater. He's a cheater. That's what. That's what. Cheater. Cheater. Pumpkin eater. Cheer. He's a cheer. Alright. Let's go. I'm gonna go to the beach in a minute. Yeah.